What is up, everybody? We just pulled up to the creek. It's pretty hot. It is what? 12:06, Friday 26th, day after Christmas. Brought the kayak today. Gonna unload it and start heading down. So I'll see ya down there at the creek. Little ghetto spot. Found some free stuff real quick. Found that though. Oh, fish on, fish on. What the heck, bro? I was trolling right there and I got this one. I thought it was a sand bass. This one might be a keeper. Maybe. Let's check it out. I have a little ruler right here. Yeah, so look. Right there. Oh, look at the tail. It's a nice fish, but I think it's too close to call. So we'll let this one go. Well, it's a good sign that there's some crappie here though. Alright, let her go, let her go. There she goes. Let's go. Nice slab right there. Finally. There we go. Let's see if we can get another one. If it's 2 or 3, I'm happy with that. If it's just this one, I'll probably let it go at the end of the day. I think something yanked it. Oh, let's freaking go. Nice sand bass. Sweet, let's add it to the stringer. Yeah, see, so it's this little white grub. It's probably like a 3.5 inch 1/8 ounce jig head. So I'm going back to restart the trolling, but as I'm going over there, I might as well troll to that spot, you know. Yeah, so your depth really just depends on how much line you have out and how fast you're going. Fish on. I was trolling back. Look how shallow it is here. And I caught a fish right here. I was trolling a white grub. Look at that sand bass. Barely got him too. That's crazy. Trolling works in creeks, especially in like a foot of water. Yeah, so there's sandies here. Yeah, look on that side. Stuff busting all over there. Might just be shad though, but something might be chasing that shad. I might go back over there, start trolling again. That's a way to cover a lot of water and see where they might be at. That's crazy funny. Trolling in a creek. Look at the size of this thing. It's almost like a hybrid. Mini hybrid. Make some nice fillets out of you. Take care. I don't know if we'll fry them whole yet or fillet them yet. Okay, got 3 so far. Starting to pick up a bit. Fish on, se pegó uno. ¿Qué será? Siente, chico. Un crappie. Véngase para acá. Está chulo, pero creo que está chico. Sí, ya casi da las 9. Casi 9. Pero si hay uno aquí, debería haber más, ¿no? There's one here, there should be a whole school. But we'll let this one go to grow. We'll see her in the springtime. Ya en la primavera ya la veremos, ya daría las 10. Bloop. Alright, we're headed out of here. Alright, made it to the truck. Gotta start to unload everything. Put that in a bit. Whoo-wee. So, only 3 fish today. Caught what, 5 total, I think? 2 smaller crappie, a 9 and like a almost 10 incher. And these are the keepers. Look how big that sand bass is. That crappie's like 11.5. That sand bass was probably pushing 14. Yeah, there you go. We'll get some ice in a little bit. So Durango, Shakespeare Durango. This will go in the bag. I need to organize this. Found a lot of bobbers though, and jig heads. Found like most of these. That's trash. Put it in that little compartment. Yeah, found all these. I already had some of these, but some jig heads. This one was mine. This one I make. Yeah, like this one I found. I think this one I already had. Oh, let's just throw that stuff in here. Yeah, that one I found. That is mine. Oh, there's more. The one with the jig head I found, the other one's mine. Oh, here's another one. This one's mine. Oh, just throw that in there. Alright, we're standing this mug up a bit. The wind. Yeah, there's a tiny bit of water in there. I thought there was more. Put back the little plug. Loader. Oh hell no. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I know it's pretty slow. It's 5:30 right now. It's about a 30-40 minute drive home. But don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you on the next one.